Target locked.
First exercise. Stand shoulder width apart with your arms at your sides. Now lift your arms overhead and turn to the left side. Bend your knees and bring your arms down, tapping the floor. Return to the standing position and turn to the right, bending your knees and lowering your arms until they're on the floor. Return to the center. Ten seconds left. Next exercise E. Stand on your left leg only and keep your arms at your sides with elbows bent. Now hop left and right, gently land on your feet. Keep the right leg off the floor throughout the exercise. Perform at a comfortable pace. Rest. Next exercise. Blow. Stand on your right leg only and keep your arms at your sides with elbows bent. Now hop left and right, gently land on your feet. Keep the left leg off the floor throughout the exercise. Perform at a comfortable pace. Next exercise. Halfway there, stand shoulder width apart with your arms in front of your body. Your fingers should point straight down toward the floor. Now lower to a squat until your hands touch the floor. From there, jump up and bring your heels together. Land on the mat in a wider stance and immediately lower to a squat and repeat the movement. Rest. Last exercise. Stand in a narrow stance with your arms at your sides. Lower to a half squat and bring your arms across your chest. From here, jump up, raising your arms to shoulder level. Jump back and lower to a half squat and repeat. Make sure you gently land on your feet. Workout complete.